Hi guys. Well, October's over and my journal is done. Look at the size of this monster. My boyfriend was laughing at me because he's like, I can't believe you're trying to tie that shut. Anyway, so we had 3 more days, I believe, of prompts when I last went through my book with you. Look at this. I finished a whole month though. I've never done that before. Ever, ever, ever. Thank you, April. Okay, so I think we had done day 28. So day 29, April's prompt was got glitter. So this is probably one of the ugliest spreads I've ever done, but it's certainly glittery. And I do really like these leaves. And I actually really liked the spread until I added this glitter and these black stickies. But, you know, it is what it is. And so, yeah, I definitely had glitter. So that is what day 29 looked like with my glitter. I had like a couple extra pages and I glued them together, but I didn't want to lose this page because I thought it was adorable. So I just put 2 more days till Halloween and spooky on this, and I just left it the way it was because I thought it was adorable. So then day 30 was use your stash to make a frame and put something you love about Halloween inside. Well, I have gotten all these new Halloween die cuts this year, and I love these Halloween die cuts so much. And so luckily they kind of come in their own frames, but here's my journaling card about it. And it says, the things I'm loving most about this Halloween are the new die cuts I've gotten. Best of all, some of them come with their own frames. And look at that die cut. Isn't that amazeballs? Now, I don't own the actual die for that. I purchased that die cut, but the rest of them I own. And I just put die cuts with some words on there. And next one was Halloween. So it was pick some lyrics from an eerie song and party it up on your page. Well, I chose Breeze Blocks by Alt J, which, if you read the lyrics, is basically about a guy who's drowning his girlfriend because she's trying to leave him. A lot of people say that's just, you know, that's just meant as a metaphor, and that it's about drug addiction. Some people say it's about depression. I don't know. When he said that she coughs and sputters and he's holding her down with soggy clothes and breeze blocks, you know, breeze blocks are cinder blocks like you build your house with, kind of think it might really be about drowning his girlfriend. Anyway, so because it was Halloween, it was the very last day, and I did all the words, breeze blocks, and then I put Alt J at the end and a 31 because that is who does that song. And then I had 1 page left for Happy Halloween, and I did my very last pop-up that says Happy Halloween 2019, Wicked and Spooky, because I finished the book and I was very excited about that. So, and you know, had to have one last pop-up because it would actually pop up in the last page. And then that's just the back of the book, and we're done. So I've really enjoyed this process. Like I said before, our group, Alternative Junk Journals, is having a swap for blank December journals. So I'm hoping that April or someone else does prompts, because when I get my journal, I'm hoping to use it for my December daily. And I don't know. I guess, you know, I don't really think anybody needs to see, oh wow, look, my snake is barely popping up anymore. I don't think anybody really needs to see a flip through of all the pages, as you know, they're all kind of documented. Ooh, my ghost is also very flat. Yeah, that's one thing about pop-ups, guys. I know y'all love them, but they don't pop very much when they're in an overstuffed journal. Yeah, I have to say that I've loved some of the pages I've made in here. Some of them I've been indifferent about, but some of them I've really, really been impressed with, because I'm not somebody who generally uses bright colors and, you know, cutesy stuff, and I really feel like I was happy about the outcome of the book and the thought process behind it, because there were so many, you know, thought-provoking prompts. I learned that I need to put like at least a 3-inch spine on a book if I'm going to use it as a daily and finish the whole month and, you know, do my normal style of layouts. But yeah, I still love this book, even though it's majorly explosive. And, you know, someday I'll look back on it and think about all the great times I had and all the cool things that my friends in the group did. So everybody, I hope you had a happy, safe Halloween or Samhain, as the case may be. And yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I can't wait to see what everyone else did. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.